Most homes don't look cheap because of the budget. As a matter of fact, they look cheap because of small design mistakes that most people don't even realize they are making. So if your space feels cluttered, flat, or like it's just not giving that calm experience or expensive feel you want, this video is going to completely change how you see your home. And because today I'm not just showing you what to buy, I am showing you how to think like a designer, so you can create a space that feels intentional, elevated, and honestly expensive. And make sure you stay with me till the end, because the last tip is the one thing that can instantly transform how your entire home feels the moment you walk in. One of the biggest mistakes I see, especially in small spaces or rental, is trying to copy luxury instead of understanding it. We go out, we buy more things, we try to upgrade piece by piece, but somehow the space still doesn't feel right. And that's because high-end spaces are not built on expensive items, they are built on intentional decisions. It's about how everything works together, how the space feels, how your eyes move through the room. So instead of adding more, today we are going to refine, elevate, and simplify. Let's start with something that instantly changes everything: lighting. In my honest opinion, overhead lighting is one of the biggest reasons a space feels flat. It's harsh, it's cold, and it doesn't create any mood. And when a space has no mood, it automatically feels less elevated. If you look at high-end homes or even hotels, you will notice something. They never rely on just one light source. Instead, they layer their lighting. So what you want to start doing is adding 2 to 3 light sources in your space. That could be a floor lamp in one corner, a table lamp near your sitting area, and maybe a soft ambient lighting somewhere else in the room. What this does is it creates depth, it creates warmth, it creates that soft, calm feeling that we all associate with luxury. And something as simple as switching your bulb to a warm white around 2700 to 3000 kelvins can completely change how your home feels at night. So lighting is not just functional, it's emotional. Now let's talk about something that feels small but makes a huge difference: your curtains. If you've ever walked into a space and it just felt taller, more open, more put together, chances are it's because of how the curtains were installed. One of the easiest ways to make your home feel more expensive is to make your ceiling look higher. And the way you do that is by hanging your curtains as close to the ceiling as possible, not right above the window. Then you extend the rod slightly beyond the window frame, so when the curtains open, they don't block any light. What this does is it draws the eye upwards, making the windows feel larger and instantly giving you your space that is custom designed and in a good way. It's one of those changes where you step back and suddenly everything just looks better. If you're already starting to look at your space differently, make sure you subscribe, because this is exactly what I share every week. Simple, practical ways to make your home feel high-end without overspending. Now, this one is probably the most underrated. Organization is not just about being tidy. It's one of the biggest design tools you have. Because visual clutter is one of the fastest ways to make a space feel cheap, you could have the most beautiful furniture, but if everything feels busy, mismatched, or overwhelming, the entire space loses that elevated feel. So instead of focusing on adding more decor, start focusing on how things are stored. For example, everyday items like soap, oil, or pantry items, instead of leaving them in their original packaging, transfer them into simple, neutral containers. Use glass bottles, uniform jars, or matching storage baskets. When everything starts to look cohesive, your space automatically feels more intentional. And even small things like hiding cables, reducing visible packages, and keeping surfaces clean can completely shift how your home feels. Luxury spaces are not full of more things, they are full of better systems. Another common mistake I see is using too many small pieces of art. You'll find little frames scattered everywhere, and instead of the space feeling styled, it just feels a bit random. In high-end spaces, art is used to create focal point. So instead of many small pieces, try using one large artwork in a key area, like above your sofa, above your bed, or on an entry wall. This anchors the space, it gives your eye somewhere to rest, and it makes the room feel more intentional. And the best part, this doesn't have to be expensive. You can print large-scale artwork, use simple frames, and still achieve that clean, elevated look. Because again, it's not about the price, it's about the placement and the scale. One thing you will notice about expensive looking spaces is that they are not full, and that is something that can feel a bit counterintuitive, especially when you're trying to decorate. So we often think about adding more will make the space feel better, but in reality, it is usually doing the opposite. So because what creates that high-end feeling is not how much you have, it's how well what you have is presented. So instead of filling every corner, every surface, every wall, start being more selective. Give your pieces space to breathe. If you have decor on a surface, don't overcrowd it. Let one or two items stand out instead of competing with 5 others. Even sometimes as simple as clearing 30% of a surface can instantly make it feel more elevated. Because your eye is no longer overwhelmed, it can actually appreciate what's there. So luxury spaces are edited. They feel calm because they're not trying too hard. And once you start removing instead of adding, your space starts to feel more intentional, more refined, and honestly, more expensive. Now, this last one is the one I mentioned earlier, and honestly, it's the one that changes everything. If your space feels flat, it is usually because everything is the same texture. And what creates that rich, expensive feel is layering different textures together. So think about mixing soft fabrics like cushions and throws with natural materials like wood or rattan, and then adding something smoother like glass or metal. Even something as simple as adding a textured throw on your sofa or switching your cushion cover to a mix of fabrics can instantly elevate the space. Because what your brain reads as expensive is actually depth, it's contrast, it's layers. That is what makes a space feel complete. At the end of the day, making your home feel expensive isn't about spending more. It's about being intentional. It's about understanding what actually creates that feeling and then applying it in simple, practical ways. So don't feel like you need to change everything at once. Start with one area, one small adjustment, and I promise you, you'll start to feel the difference almost immediately. And I'd love to know which of these are you going to try first. Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.